Hello traders, today is Monday, Sonic Monday. We're going to look at the signals on TradingView as well as NinjaTrader. I'm going to focus this video on going long as well as going short because right now the market is continuing to head higher. How do I know that? Well, for right now I see 1, 2, 3, 4 signals to the long side. I have the Sonic, I have the Trade Scalper, and I have the At the Open. That's just a few of the DayTradeToWin indicators added to the TradingView chart. And I want to make sure that before I do sell the market that everything is telling me sell. But for right now, everything is telling me to go long. So when the market changes direction, we're going to see all the signals going short, and that's our opportunity to be a seller in the market. We've had last week a huge run up, so I'm expecting a little bit of a pullback as well as some profit taking occurring today. Now, if you're a trader, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. If you're using TradingView, our software is available for TradingView. If you're using NinjaTrader, it's also available for NinjaTrader. Futures traders usually stick with NinjaTrader. If you're a stock trader, we have a lot of day traders that are trading stocks now with us, as well as futures. You can also use the TradingView. TradingView is a little bit different because it's a web-based platform, so it's a little bit more versatile. If you're on the go, you can just pull up a browser, add the software, and you can trade. NinjaTrader is a PC program. It's an app usually for a PC, so it's great for people who have laptops or also travel, but it's a program you install on your laptop or in your computer. It's not web-based like TradingView is. So what we're seeing here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signals to the long side. So if everything is telling us to go long, as you know, my goal is to make sure that nothing is conflicting. If you see anything conflicting, if you see something telling you short, something telling you long, stay away until it becomes very clear. The targets and the stops are clearly defined. You don't have to take the targets that we provide with the software, but as long as you know where we think the market's going to go, that's a good indication where you should place your target. Now we have a new signal here starting to appear. It's flashing to go long. Another long signal, another long signal. So you can see there's definitely a benefit to understanding the direction and the signals. Now I'm going to switch this around here. I'm going to show you now what happens when the market begins to sell off, because we can go long as traders and we can also be a seller. We can sell the market and make the same amount of money. Actually, sometimes the market falls faster than it goes up. Typically that's true. The markets drop much quicker than they go up. So here we have, I don't know, a few minutes later here, the market starts to go down and you see one sell signal. This is a Sonic signal to go short. All right, by itself, it's a good signal, hit the target, everybody's happy, you made your profits, but I would have to suggest, I would really say to you, wait for a second signal, because that really clarifies that the direction and the health of the market is on our side to go short. So even though this signal here on the SOG, and actually we have a signal previous to that, the Trade Scalper right over there at 71.48, also to go short. So we have multiple signals here. Here the market's continuing to drop. Another 2 signals here on the Sonic as well as the Trade Scalper, both indicating to be a seller. All right, so what does that mean for us as traders? Well, first of all, if you're trying to catch a falling knife, this is obviously trying to catch a falling knife, you would be ill-advised to try to buy the market, at least not without some proof or evidence. So whatever that proof or evidence happens to be, you can then buy it. We don't have any evidence. Everything here is telling us the Sonic system, the Trade Scalper, the At the Open, it's all indicating, at least for right now, to be a seller right now. So if you're looking to short this market, use the targets that you see, use the stop, be very careful, right? Always try to get a better price. So this is a great opportunity here to be a seller, looking at that target at 71.26. So I try to make this as very clear and as simple as it can be. Always have your stop regardless, but at least you understand, here's the signal, I'm going short, here's my reason. We have multiple signals to the short side. Everything now is really falling in place. I believe that trading doesn't have to be complicated as long as you have patience. This is a way of trading that you're seeing multiple signals happening. You're having patience, you're waiting for maybe a second confirmation, and then you can sell the market. So the proprietary software, there's another signal here, again, trying to go short, 71.2475. It's telling you to go short. So the question here is there anything here telling us to go long? And I would have to say no. There's nothing here indicating for us to be a buyer. Until that changes, it may change. The market may turn around and we start seeing 1, 2, 3 buy signals. That's your opportunity to be a buyer. Typically, if you look at a trading day, you have a movement in the morning, you have kind of a lull in the afternoon, and you have an explosion as the market begins to close. And that explosion in the afternoon sometimes offers some great opportunities as well, because we may do a huge reversal, another short signal, by the way. Our traders who have this software are seeing the same signals to go short or to go long. All right, let me switch it up here. This is NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is a powerful charting platform for day traders, especially futures traders. NinjaTrader is the way to go. The execution is fast. We use what's called the ATM strategy to place our targets and the stops for us. So I really like NinjaTrader. Let me show you why I'm going to sell the market right here. First of all, I see 3 distinct signals to be a seller. My stop, as you can see there in red, based on the sonic system, is very small. So I'm entering at a better price. I have a very small stop. If I get stopped out, I'm stopped out. I don't have a lot to risk on this trade, but the target, 71.41, is huge. It's about 5 points. So if you're looking for, under these kind of conditions, 2 points, 3 points, even like I'm trying for 5 points here, this is how we trade the markets. I'm looking at the average true range. It's about 3.25 points. I would say if you're able to take 3 points out of this trade based on the ATR, take it. I'm going to go for the full value of the sonic system, which is telling me 71.41. But you don't have to. This is just how I like to trade. I like to follow the signals. Now, the longer this trade is on, it goes on and goes on, the less likely I am to feel comfortable about the trade. I mean, it just makes sense. The trade usually goes in my favor immediately, or if it starts to flounder around and flip-flop, that's when I start to want to get out of the trade, break even, small win, small loss. Trade management is super important. I don't know how many traders hold on to losing trades unnecessarily. If you're in a trade, it's taking too long, hasn't hit your target, hasn't hit your stop, get out of break even if possible. You're just protecting yourself and protecting your capital. Now, if you want to learn more and use this software for your trading, whether it be on day trading stocks or day trading E-minis, NASDAQ, crude oil, futures, gold, really any market that you want, as long as there's some type of movement. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to let this play out and just let it run. I'm going to keep this recording for half an hour just to show you all the signals, whether they're winners or whether they're losers. You guys be the judge of what the sonic system is able to do. Actually, I have the sonic and the trade scalper both running at the same time. I recommend having at least 3, maybe 4 of the methods running, so that way you can confirm whether or not anything is conflicting. And that way the best trades are the ones that all say go short or all say to go long. I'm going to let this run. You guys can see all the signals that are going to be generated for the next half hour, the good, the bad, the ugly, the winners, the losers. I believe that the software that we provide, being proprietary and unique as it is, brings a lot of value to traders. So let's see what happens. This is unedited. I'm just speeding up the video to save some time because nobody wants to sit here for half an hour and look at charts, but you are going to see all the signals. And I mentioned just a little while ago that I have the trade scalper and the sonic, but I also have the blueprint also included with our package added to the chart. So again, we have the sonic system, the main signal, the trade scalper, and the blueprint added to the chart. I want to make sure everything is either long or either short. So right now we're in the short phase of the market of the day. All the signals that I want to see generated should be to the sell side, telling you to sell, sell, sell to go short. Like I said, I'm going to let this run. Visit DayTradeToWin.com. If you have any questions, reach out. We also include training with all of our software. That means that you get to spend a little time with me so you can understand whether the signals are generated correctly, that you're doing it right. So we do a one-on-one training with everyone who picks up our package. Until next time, good trading.
Turn it up now.
Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with price action trading with our award-winning software for NinjaTrader and TradingView. Get a free member account. We also include the Sonic, Roadmap, Autopilot, Trade Scalper, and Atlas line with accelerated mentorship, now available in monthly and lifetime access. Visit DayTradeToWin and I'll see everyone in class.